In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use FPL Wildcard. Let's get started. Using your FPL Wildcard is basically hitting the reset button on your squad without losing points. So what Wildcard does, lets you make unlimited transfers in a game week. Unlike normal transfers, which cost 4 points after your free ones, Wildcard transfers are free. Once activated, it stays live for the rest of that game week until the deadline. You get 2 wildcards per season, one for the first half, one for the second half. In order to activate it, launch your Fantasy Premier League app or navigate to the website, go to the transfers, start swapping players, you'll notice a cost swaying negative points. Once you go past your free transfer, beneath the player list, you'll see the Play Wildcard button. Tap it. The points deduction disappears, meaning all transfers this week are free. Hit confirm transfers when happy with your squad. So basically, the wildcard is your squad overhaul chip, no penalties, just freedom. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.